This is the KOOMOER Samsung Voice Remote Control. It's a replacement remote control for Samsung smart TVs that have the voice remote. So this is what the voice remote looks like, and it has at the top here a microphone button you can push and hold down and talk to your TV. So my family loses this time to time. Luckily we've always been able to find it, but I want to have a spare remote, and I'm hoping that I can pair this remote to the TV and have two remotes so that either one of the remotes will work for us. So it doesn't look exactly like the stock remote. It doesn't have this twisty bend, but it's, perfectly usable as a remote here. It has a little arrow button that says, hey, pull this way to slide this whole thing off. It will require two AAA batteries. And it comes with an instruction manual on how to pair it with your television, which is basically pushing all these two buttons. So let's go give this a shot. So the instructions say when you turn on your TV for the first time, it will automatically pair. If it doesn't, you have, and it has the instructions hidden inside of the back here. If you take the battery compartment off, if you've lost the manual, it will show you, hey, for pairing, press the little arrow return key and the play pause key at the same time. Alright, so we're just going to push the power button and see if the TV responds. And it did turn on the TV. So I didn't even need to do any special pairing or anything. I can push the home. It's working. I'm able to navigate as expected. So yeah, that thing just worked right out of the box. Didn't even need to pair. Now I have another remote for my TV.